heart of South Asia lies Punjab, the cradle of ancient civilizations, where the Indus Basin has nourished humanity for millennia, and resilience runs as deep as its waters. But in recent years, those very waters have turned against it, testing the endurance of this land as floods swept across its plains, smog dimmed its skyline, and rising temperatures strained both its health and its harvests. The land that once fed millions struggled to breathe. A solemn reminder that climate change is no longer a distant threat, but a livid reality. Realizing that survival alone was no longer enough, Punjab's Chief Minister, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, in 2024 called for a bold shift. From reaction to readiness, from fragmented efforts to unified climate governance. What followed was transformation, stronger institutions, real-time data, the world's largest AI-enabled waste management system, a province-wide e-mobility transition, and the revival of forests and wildlife, restoring nature's balance. This is Punjab's story of how a land once burdened by its own progress is finding its way back to harmony, resilience, and hope. At the heart of this renewal stands Suthra Punjab, the world's largest unified waste management system, serving over 130 million residents, powered by 30,000 smart vehicles and 150,000 dedicated workers. It operates as one of the most extensive waste systems in the developing world. Every day, 50,000 tons of waste are collected, transported, and tracked end to end through an AI-driven command network. At Mahmood Booty, Lahore's largest legacy dump site, 49 acres of waste are being stabilized, capped, and reborn as an urban forest and renewable energy zone. At Lakhoded, once among the world's biggest methane emitters, rehabilitation with UNEP is turning hazards into hope, capturing methane and generating clean energy. The Offal to Biogas project converts organic waste into power and fertilizer, while the upcoming Lahore Recycling Park will divert 75% of daily waste from landfills, driving a modern circular economy. Certified under ISO 9001, 14001 and 24161, Suthra Punjab sets a global benchmark for urban cleanliness and climate accountability. For years, Punjab's skyline disappeared each winter behind a curtain of smog that crossed borders and seasons alike. Today, that same land is the testing ground for one of the most data-driven environmental responses in the region. At the front line stands Pakistan's first Environment Protection Force, across 10 hotspot districts, leading the Smogless Punjab mission. Armed with 8,500 AI-enabled cameras, thermal drones, and real-time response systems, the force turns data into action. 41 air quality stations now monitor 18 districts, expanding to 100 by 2026. Pakistan's largest network, forecasting pollution 5 to 7 days ahead. In Lahore's smog war room, satellite feeds from Suparco and NASA merge with ground sensors to track emissions in real time. Through EcoWatch, Punjab pioneered inspectorless enforcement, transparency replacing discretion. 96% of registered industries now operate with modern emission control systems, ECS. Mist sprinklers in industrial and urban zones suppress dust and particulates, while 15 anti-smog cannons reduce pollution by 45% in critical areas. Strict action has sealed non-compliant industries, geotagged 11,000 brick kilns, and removed 422,000 kg of banned plastic monthly. Citizens now join the mission through the Green Punjab app and 1373 helpline. Proof that climate governance is a partnership between people and the state. Stubble burning, a major source of seasonal pollution across the Indo-Gangetic Plain. is being systematically reduced through e-mechanization and modern residue management machinery. This year alone, Punjab recorded a 65% decrease in stubble burning incidents compared to 2024, marking a decisive shift towards cleaner air and sustainable farming. Clean air depends on clean mobility. Under Vision Transport 2030, Punjab is driving a new era of green movement. The roads that once echoed with engines of congestion are now turning into corridors of clean energy and inclusion. A fleet of 2,000 electric and hybrid buses is being deployed across the province, powered by solar depots, charging hubs and smart traffic corridors. 120,000 electric 2- and 3-wheelers are being introduced through green financing, while a buyback program retires the dirtiest vehicles. By 2030, more than 2 million passengers will travel each day through a clean, connected, carbon-neutral transport grid. Forests, restoring the lungs of Punjab. Beyond its cities, Punjab is restoring the lungs of its landscape. Through Plant for Pakistan, Green Pakistan and agroforestry, over 34 million saplings have been planted along canals, roads and Lahore's 112-kilometre green ring. Drone surveillance, GIS tracking and digital dashboards now guard what time once eroded. AI-guided seed ball plantations and aerial forest bots sow millions of native seeds in hours, even across inaccessible terrain. A dedicated 1084 helpline reports instantly to illegal felling, while wildfire incidents have dropped 90% through disaster preparedness summits. By 2028, forest cover will rise from 3.2% to 5%, restoring 100,000 hectares and planting 50 million new trees this year alone. Across deserts, wetlands and hills, the wild heart of Punjab beats again. A new wildlife ranger force protects habitats, rescues animals and restores balance where nature calls. Responsible safaris, biodiversity parks and ecotourism corridors are reconnecting people and nature, are replacing captivity with coexistence. The silence of neglect has been replaced by the sound of renewal, the rustle of wings, the call of the oriole, and the heartbeat of a province learning once more to live in balance with its wild. Punjab's story is still being written, a province finding its balance with nature once more. Its journey reflects the larger struggle of our world to protect what sustains us before it is lost. We share one atmosphere, one climate, one future. The air that leaves the Amazon reaches the Himalayas. The melt of one glacier feeds another river. In that shared breath lies both our warning and our hope. This is Punjab, learning, adapting, and moving with the world toward a just and sustainable tomorrow.